Hey everybody, it's Mike Wardynski with naturemike.com, and today I got a real quick video to show you how to create and apply and import preset. So we want to make sure that we're in the develop module here, and then we're going to come down to the lower right corner and hit reset. That's going to zero out all of our sliders in this right toolbar. And the next thing we're going to do is we go to lens corrections, and at the top we see chromatic aberration. So we can go ahead and check that. So if you're not familiar with chromatic aberrations, what they are is a slight color artifact that often appears on the edges of high and low contrast areas, such as where a horizon meets the sky. Now this phenomenon is really common in wide-angle lenses and especially in cheap wide-angle lenses. So you don't want to apply this to every single image you import into Lightroom. So instead of doing it individually or trying to sync it across your entire catalog, why not just import with this setting already checked? Now right below that we have something called Enable Profile Corrections, and if I zoom out here and check this, you'll see that the image sort of shifts a little bit and gets a little bit brighter. So I'll go ahead and uncheck that so you can see that once more. Now this is a bit of a personal preference. You may or may not want to do this. Sometimes I like to check it, but also take the vignetting back down so it brings in that natural vignetting of the lens, because a lot of times that looks nice. It kind of brings your viewer into the scene rather than brightening the edges of the frame. So now we have our chromatic aberration and profile corrections set. All we need to do is come over to the presets tab on the left hand side and hit the plus sign. We're going to go ahead and create a preset. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Mike's Import Settings. And we can choose where we want to save it. We could choose user presets or any of these other ones. I'll go ahead and just put it in user presets here. And then we need to tell Lightroom what settings we want to include with the preset. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and check none. And then I'm just going to go up to lens corrections and check that right there and hit create. And that's it. So we've created our preset. Now we need to apply it when we import. So I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Import. So here we are in the import dialog, and we need to find a photo to import. So I'm going to go ahead to my hard drive, and I know I have one right here. And before I import this photo, I want to make sure I come over to the Apply During Import. And then I'm going to choose the Develop settings, and I'm going to go down to our User Presets and Mike's Import Settings. And that's it. So now whenever we import into Lightroom, this preset will automatically be applied until we tell Lightroom something different. And as long as you know where your photos are going, it's time to hit Import. Okay, so that brought the photo in, and now when I go into the Develop module and I go to my lens corrections, you can see my Remove Chromatic Aberrations has already been checked, and the Enable Profile Corrections has been checked too, and the vignetting has been taken all the way down automatically for us. Doing this simple step will save you a ton of time in Lightroom, and if there's certain settings that you find yourself constantly applying to all of your images, you can go ahead and create a preset for that too. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I hope it saves you a ton of time in your post-processing workflow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and leave me a comment below. And of course, don't forget to check out naturemike.com for more articles, in-field workshops, and virtual training in Lightroom and Photoshop. I'll see you in the next video.